Hello everyone, how are you? Today I am going to talk about the class 11th biology chapter 3rd plant kingdom part 3rd. This is the part 3rd. We will discuss in this video about the classification of gymnosperm. Gymnosperm. We studied in previous video about the classification of algae, classification of bryophytes, classification of pteridophytes, and their characteristic. Today we will discuss about the gymnosperm. So let us start now. What is the gymnosperm? You can see here that gymnosperm, gymnos means naked, naked means open, gymnos means naked, means open, sperm means seed, means naked seed, naked seed, naked seed means open seed, means open seed, are plant in which the ovule are not enclosed, ovule are not enclosed by any ovary wall and remain exposed both before and after fertilization. Gymnosperm could medium or tall and short. You can see here that this is the ovule, this is the ovary, this is the ovary. Inside of ovary is the ovule. This is the ovule, this is the ovule, and this is the ovary. This ovule is covered by the ovary in this diagram. You can see that this ovule is covered by ovary. This is ovary. So the ovule is covered by ovary. These are the angiosperm. These are the angiosperm. But in case of gymnosperm, the ovary is not covered the ovule. Means ovule is not covered by ovary wall. Ovule is not covered by ovary wall in this case. So these are open, means this ovule are open are naked, open are naked. You can see here naked, open are naked. The ovule are means naked. Naked means open. So the gymnosperm ovule are not enclosed by ovary wall, and also they remain exposed before fertilization. Gymnosperm include medium. Their plant are medium, are tall, or short. Means three variety may be occur. The gymnosperm like as medium, tall, and short. So this is the gymnosperm. Once again we discuss about gymnosperm. Gymnosperm means gymnos means naked, sperm means seed. So naked seed means open seed are plant in which the ovule are not enclosed. Ovule are not enclosed by any ovarian wall and remain exposed both before The after fertilization, gymnosperm include medium and tall and soft. So this is the gymnosperm. You can see about the some topics related to the gymnosperm. Some topic or some concept. This is the related to the gymnosperm. First is the cone or stabili. What is the cone or stabili? This is the related of the gymnosperm. The two kind of spore are produced within sporangia. Means sporangia produce two kind of spore. Means sporangia produce two kind of spore that are born on sporophyll. Which are arranged spirally along an axis to form legs and compact stabili or cones. Means cones is a organs, है ना, which is produce spore, and spore is produced in sporangia. Okay, and again they born in sporophyll. So the two kind of spore are produced within sporangia that are born on sporophyll, which are arranged spirally along on a axis from legs are compact stabili or cones. These are the cones. You can see cones after this video. Male stabili. What is the male stabili? The stabili bearing microsporophyll. The stabili bearing microsporophyll and microsporangia. Once again, the microvilli bearing microsporophyll. Stabili bearing microsporophyll and microsporangia are called microsporangidae or male stabili. These are the male stabili. Once again, stabili bearing microsporophyll and microsporangia are called microsporangiate or male stabili. These all parts are related to the reproduction, sexual reproduction. Okay, and female stabili, the cones bearing megasporophyll with ovule. Cones bearing megasporophyll with ovule are megasporangia. Are called megasporangiate or female stabili. So these are the female stabili. Male stabili and female stabili. And these are the cones are stabili. Stabili are cones. Okay. So these are some topic of the gymnosperm are related to the gymnosperm, and the most important examples of gymnosperm is the example of gymnosperm: Cycas, Cydrus, Ginjo, Pinus and Nita. These are the example of gymnosperm. You can see gymnosperm in your book. You can see here this plant, gymnosperm, this plant is the cycas, B plant is the pinus, and C is the ginkgo. So these all plant is the gymnosperm. You can see here gymnosperm. This is the cycas, and this is the pinus, and this is the ginkgo. So these are the examples of the gymnosperm. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe this video. Thanks.